Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to download and install Comodo Internet Security on your Windows 11 computer. So it should be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, doesn't matter which one, but you want to navigate over to Google, and into Google search, you want to go ahead and search up Comodo Internet Security, and go ahead and download that. Best match should come back with a Comodo website here, so Comodo.com. Go ahead and open that up. Select the download free CIS, which stands for Comodo Internet Security. Go ahead and left click on that to open it up. And go ahead and run that file. Setup file shouldn't be that big, it's only about 5 megabytes in size. You can close out your web browser too at this time. Okay, so this is Comodo. Welcome. You're about to install Comodo Internet Security. Go ahead and select the Options button. I'm going to uncheck the option underneath Components to install some of these extra applications, such as the Dragon web browser, Secure Shopping, and Internet Security Essentials. You can keep them checkmarked. I'm just going to install the antivirus and firewall. You can install Security Essentials. I actually will keep that checkmarked in there, and I'm going to select Install. I'm going to uncheck the option to change my DNS provider. I will keep Cloud Behavior Analysis checkmarked, and I will uncheck the other two options to set program usage as well as changing Yahoo to my default homepage, and then I'm going to select Finish. And that's pretty much it, guys. Go ahead and select Fix It to perform an initial scan it's requesting. Okay, so once that's done, you should be good to go. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.